I am so excited to introduce this next addition to the Light Elegance family, and that is the Blink Dual Forms. I can't even tell you what an innovation this little bugger is. These are reusable forms. When you're done, you pop the dual form off and you have a fully created nail enhancement. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipe. LE Pro Cuticle Pusher. Push back the keratinized proximal nail fold with LE Pro Cuticle Pusher and remove cuticle tissue from the nail. (100/180 grit perfect file). Prep the natural nails with a very light touch using a 100 grit LE perfect file. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipe. Pre-measure and make any adjustments to fit the BlinkForms to the natural nail. Power bond. Apply power bond to the natural nails in a thin, even layer. Cap the free edge. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Lexi Line Ideal Pink Builder Gel. Number 4 Oval. Flip the BlinkForm over and apply an even coat of Lexi Line Builder Gel in Ideal Pink, following the guidelines to achieve cohesive length nails. Lightly apply the form to the nail in the area of the apex. While holding the form, flash cure using a flash dot curing lamp for 10 seconds. Flip the nail upside down and use a gel brush to smooth out the underside of the free edge before the final cure. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Pinch and pop the forms off the nails. Here's the tip. If gel squeezes out the edge of the form, take an old pair of nippers and trim that excess off. Lexi Line Ideal Pink Extreme Gel. Number 4 Oval. Pick up a dollop-sized amount of Lexi Line Extreme Gel in Ideal Pink and apply a slip layer to the nail. Do not cure. Pick up a second dollop of Lexi Line Extreme Gel and place it on the nail between the cuticle and the apex location. Use the roll-off technique, allow it to settle, and then frost down the nail, paying particular attention to the arch location. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, cleanse the nails to fully remove the sticky layer. (100-180 grit finish file). Using the 100-180 grit finish file, shape your nails to the desired shape. File the lower arches and sidewalls. Use the 100-180 grit LE Perfect file, following the 201 finish filing protocols. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, clean the nails using a circular scrubbing motion to fully remove dust and debris from the nail surface. The nails are now ready for decoration. Have fun!